Hello dear friends, good to see you. Let's take a tour of ZonleDoors factory. We take quality seriously, as we subject our doors to rigorous tests and inspections to ensure that they meet or exceed industry standards for fire rating, soundproofing, thermal insulation, and environmental sustainability. We are proud to have certifications from various organizations that recognize our commitment to excellence. We are passionate about providing the best possible service to our customers, whether they are homeowners, architects, contractors, or distributors. We offer competitive pricing, fast delivery, and excellent customer support, and we are honored to have served many clients who have expressed their satisfaction with our products and services. As a professional wooden door company, we are dedicated to providing our customers with high-quality wooden doors. Our door products not only enhance the beauty of your home, but also provide a high level of safety and security. We use high-quality, environmentally friendly materials that have undergone rigorous testing and certification. Our doors can withstand all kinds of weather and external forces, ensuring the safety of you and your family. We also offer excellent after-sales service, including a 1-year warranty on all our products, ensuring that our clients can use our doors without any worries. If you are interested in our product, contact us now.